An EF-2 tornado touched down in East Texas Tuesday night. NBC6's Jalen Jackson went to Elysian Fields today to speak to residents.
I heard a few pellets of hail, and then whoosh, there it was.
Tornadoes touched down in East Texas Tuesday night, and many are wondering where to go from here.
It was heartbreaking, and I don't know, it's just kind of one of those things where, what can you do now?
Mike is one of many Harris County residents whose home received damage.
The roof is pretty much gone, and I don't know if you got a shot of it's over there in the road.
He says he's already taken steps to move forward and get everything fixed and replaced.
And that was Jalen Jackson reporting. Organizations are collecting donations to help storm victims. You can find a full list, which is constantly being updated on our website, KTALnews.com.